Welcome back to Mud, Buds and Beers. We have got the new canopy, finally. So this has taken nearly 10 weeks. It's an MW canopy. We're going to be doing a lot to it, but I just thought I'd run you through what it's like, stock standard from the factory floor. So we ordered this custom from MW Toolbox in Queensland in Virginia. We got it all measured up. So essentially it's a 1700 long canopy and 1870 wide. It's made out of 3mm flat plate aluminium, marine grade. They're not central locking, they're just standard chrome handles. 3 points of contact, one in the middle, 2 on each side. And it's got, on the roof, it's got 3 uni struts. Now that's gonna be for the rooftop tent, which we gotta put back on hopefully next weekend. We got it color coded, powder coated Landcruiser white to match the car inside and out. Inside I've got lots of uni struts. Just come over here and we'll have a look inside. Inside there's 5 uni struts running north to south, and then on the back wall and the front wall there's 2 running east to west and then 2 up and down as well. So we got plenty of options. The floor has been powder coated too. It's brand new. We've still got some prop rivets in there. We literally put it on the day before we left to come away to Stratty. So it is a Jackoff. I said Stratty, I meant Morton. It is a Jackoff canopy, so we got the receivers, drilled it into the tray. I'm not sure if that's going to be strong enough, but short term, it's worked really well on Morton. We've been here for about 5 days. Absolutely no dramas. The ability to jack it off is very good, and I'll have the Anderson plug at the front to plug all the electrics in. 12 volt will go in here. We'll have fridges, drawers, pantries, the whole shooting match. Yeah, very stoked. I think it looks hot. On the back we got 2 wheel carriers welded into, powder coated and color matched as well. I've got all the fittings for them at home. So we'll get the 2 other 35s with the ROH hammers. They'll mount up here, and I reckon it'll look brilliant. So that's the start of the canopy build. If you've got any ideas what you think I should do, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you during the build.